下一位黃俊碩議員。
好啊，多謝主席。主席，我記得咧，舊年5月嘅時候，我喺呢度都係迪士尼啦，咁啊比較關注就係佢哋嘅財務事宜啦，即係作為一個會計師，咁啊亦都見到佢而家轉虧為盈，我哋見到個net profit 都去到有8億嚇，咁啊亦都係頭先局長講有 record high 啊，咁啊恭喜翻迪士尼先。咁我關於即係過往嘅嘢就之前問過啦，而家我就係想問將來，咁啊亦都見到咧，其實有好多嘅旅客啊，即係由即係東盟啊或者菲律賓咧，都其實好多都過嚟香港呢面啦。咁啊，特區政府我哋而家都係即係好多時都係瞄準中東嗰面嘅市場。咁我又想問一問香港迪士尼，我哋有幾多嘅即係資源啊或者宣傳係去中東嗰面嘅市場咧？因為即係而家我哋見到好多中東嗰面嘅國家其實對香港一個迪士尼都比較弱啊。咁而且好多時佢哋都即係取近就即係寫近就取遠，去咗法國嘅迪士尼。咁我哋點樣可以宣傳多啲，等香港嘅迪士尼更具吸引力，可以吸引嗰面即係中東嗰面嘅旅客咧？多謝主席。
Mr. Moriarty.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Well, one of our primary appeals as a resort in Hong Kong is our international appeal, and I think that's why we do attract so many international guests, not just from Southeast Asia or North Asia, but really from all over the world. In fact, if you were to look at Southeast Asia, roughly 1 in 5 people on every seat on every airplane is coming to Hong Kong Disneyland. If you were to look at what we are doing right now in the Middle East, certainly our partnership with HKTB, we are there with them in lockstep. But if you were to look at our attendance from arrivals to the Middle East, it's 1 out of every 3 person on every plane. So I think we are very attractive to our guests in the Middle East. But not only that, but guests from Malaysia and Indonesia as well, as we have worked hard to implement a lot of facilities, infrastructure, policies, and food and beverage offerings that are appealing to guests from Muslim countries. The work is going to continue on. As I mentioned earlier in the presentation, we were going to be in all of our core markets promoting Hong Kong internationally. In fact, next week I'm going to be in Southeast Asia promoting our 20th anniversary with all of our travel trade partners, and we'll continue along these fronts. It's one of our, I think, biggest appeals and biggest contributions to Hong Kong tourism.
主席，我都補充一句，喺迪士尼嗰方面，當然佢哋會做佢哋自己嘅推廣工作。剛才阿莫先生都提到，其實咧每3個嚟香港嘅係坐飛機嚟嘅中東旅客咧，有1個已經會去迪士尼。咁呢個係一個好大嘅數字。咁但係我諗比較症結就係我哋希望吸引更多嘅中東旅客嚟香港。咁其實咧我自己個人咧本人都會帶團咧係連喺今個月尾嘅時候，我哋會去杜拜。同埋會去沙地阿拉伯，咁咧就係專門喺杜拜咧有一個旅遊業界嘅一個所謂 trade show 啦，旅遊貿易展，咁我都會去參與，同埋會去呢2個地方嘅同當地嘅旅遊官員啦，或者係業界嘅一啲主要持份者咧去會面，親身去推廣咧香港作為一個即係俾中東朋友嘅一個度假勝地。多謝主席。
黃議員。
好啊，多謝主席。都聽到頭先局方啊同埋即係 CE 嘅回應啦。即係我諗即係我哋3個嚟香港嘅中東旅客有1個去迪士尼。咁當然呢個係一個好嘅數字，但係我哋而家我係想係增加個分母，即係我點樣將3個變到更加大，直情係我哋要做嘅嘢。咁當然去 TB 有即係佢哋 partner with TB 去做其中一個方案啦。但係我哋真係要諗下，其實個市場咁龐大，資金咁多嘅時候，我哋係咪要有啲 establishment 去嗰度啊，或者一個即係長期嘅 project， 唔係一啲 one off。嘅，不過呢個係一個少少意見，即係供迪士尼同埋局方去作一個長遠嘅參考，因為我哋呢個都係同我哋而家成個香港政府嘅政策係要一致嘅。多謝主席。
If I could jump the queue and butt in, to attract Mid-East visitors, do you have halal food or facilities for prayers? Because I noticed from my visit to European resorts, they do have prayer areas.
Yes, Madam Chair, we have halal food offerings. Both for outdoor vending as well as restaurants, and we have prayer rooms for both genders. Yeah.
Facing the east.
Yes.
Thank you. 好細心啦嚇，陳紹雄議員。